Hi friends, as you know, I'm trying to develop strategies with data analysis in market, new stream of addressing the market. Maybe some people may be already doing it. Still, I am trying my way. So, with all negative news across, I just wanted to do a comparison of to understand what is about Indian market. So I have shared this Excel sheet in Excel workbook in our Telegram channel, Data Hunter Interaction channel. I just gave some notes, but I think many of the you must not have clearly understood what for I have shared it. See, if you look at the data, this data I'll tell you it's taken from websites. It may not be 100% true, but to certain extent, at least up to 90%, we can believe that this data is correct. Okay, I have something about market capital data over about 5,180 plus companies. So some of them must have been delisted or on suspension. So catering all those things, we'll discuss with the available information with the thought that this data is not 100% accurate. Okay. So my finding is that with the current market price, Friday's closing price or with that price, 435 lakh crore worth is our market cap of all the companies which is listed in BSE and NSE together. There are so many companies may not be in this list also. So with available data, I'm talking about. Out of which 50.81 percentage of the shares is held with the big promoters alone. That worth is about 221 lakh crore. It is 221 crore rather. Okay. Out of which 9 lakh 67 crore worth shares are pledged. Promoters are pledged. In the previous quarter, about 97,000 crore. See, this 97,000 crore we are talking about is with the latest current market price. So it will be a bigger amount than what it is. Promoters offloaded about 97,000 crore worth of shares. FIAs are holding about 17.48% of the Indian market. That is about 76 lakh crore. And previous quarter they increased their presence by about 31,944. Again, it will be a bigger amount than what it is because correction happened. So we can say that the 0.42% they increased their stake, and 16% is the DIA data. So they increased about 1.74 percentage of the company shareholding in the last quarter. This is percentage of increase in their holding. I have calculated with that figures. Okay. General public holding is about 15.6. General public will come up with even HNIs. If you look deep into the shareholding pattern, you will find that many of the companies are not, they are not in the list of promoters holding or FIDA. So there will be another 3 to 5% people, high net worth investors in the companies. So around 10 to 12% of the Indian market is only with our retail investors. We can think maybe lesser than that. Okay. I have calculated with the percentage of Big E's holding. Big E's holding is nothing but FIA, DA, and promoter put together. So this is the figure. So they have in the previous quarter they increased their presence by 0.13%. That is with the current market price it will be 56,000 crore worth. Okay. I have provided ISIN number of these companies so that if you are really doing some data analysis, you can combine your data with all this with this key. So that there is nothing extra. See, the information given here are BSE code, BSE ID, industry, uh, current market price, share quantity, market cap of that company. That is current market price into the number of shares. Promoter holding, promoter hold how much worth it is, pledging how many percentage and how much worth it is. So similar kind of data you can go through this. I'll share it in Telegram channel itself. Data under interaction channel. Okay. Why I have given is that see all this information. If you want to check a particular industry, say for example two wheelers and three wheelers, you can find out which are the companies listed plus what are the figures in this in which, whether FI is increased. I have given certain for easy understanding or visual catching. I have given some certain colors also. You may use it or not. It's up to your prerogative, and so you can find all this industry-wise data. Otherwise, you can go through. Say for example, you want to know which are the companies with the maximum market cap. You can sort it descending way. It will give you the market cap of all companies, and promoter wise which company percentage wise also you can do it, or cash wise also you can check it, and which company has pledged more. Hindustan Zinc, and they have pledged about 99.04 and 99.99%. So this data is flexible data wherein you can find then a change in if you do if you segregate it, sort it in descending order, you will find that Adani Green, the promoters have increased the position. Okay, percentage wise also you can check it. Like here you find in which company HDFC Bank about 10,000 crore worth is increased by FIAs, or else you can apply here percentage wise how much. And I have given this biggies holding itself. So if you want that which company is being held by big company, big promoter, big people with cash rich people. So you can sort it in this fashion, or else how much crore worth also is an option. Otherwise, you can simply, if you want, you just sort it descending order of promote increase. How big is increase? Select whichever color you want, or even logically you can find out. I'll switch over to 12 fund. As you know, I have given, I have told many times that why I am following all these 12 fundamental conditions. So you can very well use. It is to narrow the number of pick. Okay, nothing beyond that. And as a matter of fact, investing in a fundamental company gives you more confidence of holding it. So that is the reason why I have done like this. So let us try for companies where biggies have increased their positions. Say for example, if you want general public holding should be less than otherwise 85%, 88% of the companies are held, of 12 fundamental condition companies are held by big people. So you can you may be interested more than that, 88%. Okay, greater than or equal to 88%. So numbers will come down. Where FIAs have increased, DAs have increased, FIAs have increased, and there is no change in this thing, what you call the a promoter has not sold out, or let them be holding it. I mean, they have not changed, sold their promoter holding. Or else you can definitely look into the percentage of holding also. And with a market cap of, say for example, below 50,000 crore, so you find you are narrowing in as much as possible. So these companies have come into our screener. Then you can go for further analysis whether this company is worth or not, I mean, investable or not in terms of your conditions. Okay. Now, pivot also is given to see that you may be interested to see in which industry money has come and which industry. So there will be sector rotation always. So you can find how much percentage of the holding is sold out, or otherwise in terms of percentage, if you of course it's a pivot table, you will not be able to sort it. You can put conditions, number conditions, and then filter it. Okay, this video, I think it will help you to try more into the data. Thank you for watching the video.